People think YouTube Shorts don't pay, and a year ago, they were right. But now, creators are making $10,000, $20,000, even $50,000 a month. Here's how you can do it too. YouTube's new revenue sharing program lets creators earn anywhere from 10 to 50 cents per 1,000 views on Shorts. It's easier to go viral with Shorts than long videos. So even smaller creators are making thousands per month. To get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 10 meters Shorts views in 90 days. If you're using clips from other sources, add voiceovers, captions, or commentary to make it unique. YouTube rewards creators who add value. Picking the right niche is key. Here are some of the hottest niches blowing up right now. Feel good, heartwarming content, celebrity gossip and trending news, DIY and life hacks. Find a niche you're passionate about and adapt trending content from TikTok and Instagram. To go viral, focus on 3 things. A great hook, grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Start with a question, bold statement, or shocking moment. Retention, keep people watching. Use captions, zooms, and fast pacing. Swipe rate, the higher the percentage of people who watch your video instead of scrolling away, the better YouTube will push your content. Most people give up too soon. Post once a day for 60 days to learn what works. Many successful creators took 3 to 4 weeks before their Shorts blew up. YouTube Shorts is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. Pick a niche, post consistently, and let the income roll in. If you want a shortcut, check out the course linked below. It walks you through everything step by step. Like and subscribe for more tips on making money online.